What an energetic Friday morning at Grasse Elementary. First, we start off with the string instrument demonstration for third graders, able to see what it's like to play a string instrument, and then one of their staff members, Sandy Thompson, who just began playing the violin over the summer, gave them all a performance. More information about playing a string instrument is available at the Grasse main office. After that, we walked right down the hall to the gymnasium, where this happened.
We are so excited to start off the new school year with you. And I think to start us off, we need to do a little cheer. Are you ready for this? When I say bull, you say dog. Bull! Dog! Dog! That was so good. That was really good. Let's do it one more time. Are we ready? When I say bull, you say dog. Bull! Dog! Bull! Dog!
It was an exciting event as the entire school got together for a positive behavior intervention and support system program, and students were told this year, reach for the stars.
That song, Counting Stars, we're going to be talking about some very special stars that we're going to have this year at JM Grasse. So I'm going to turn it over to our fabulous Miss Regal, Mrs. Janarella, and Mrs. Morrison to tell you some more about this very special things that we are doing at Grasse this year.
Ms. Buzza shared with us, you guys are going to have the opportunity to earn Lucky Stars. This is something new that we are starting this year, and you are all going to receive a badge that looks like this and a lanyard, right? And you, with it, you will be able to earn stars. So teachers all throughout the building will be able to use iPads and their phone, and they will scan your badge, and you will be earning Lucky Stars. And we are going to talk about in a minute about how you are going to earn these Lucky Stars.
Wait, how many stars? Yes, we're going to try to earn 10 stars by the end of the week. And if you do earn those 10 stars by the end of the week, your name gets put into a raffle. A raffle is just a fancy word for a drawing. So you're going to be put into a big pool of names. And at the end of every week, we are going to randomly select a winner from each grade level to be a stars leader. And that means that you were somebody that randomly got selected that reached that 10-star goal. Be able to come down and pick a prize from our special treasure chest. C stands for cooperate. Now this is the fun part. I'm going to ask my friend, Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Johnson, how can your kindergartners show cooperation in your classroom?
They can share all the center materials.
Kindergarten, do you think you can do that? Give me a thumbs up if you think you can do that. Oh yeah, that is an amazing example. All right, next up, wait. What does it stand for? Who can tell me? What does that A stand for? What does it stand for, buddy?
Attitude.
Oh yeah, and an A+, positive attitude. You got that right. Let's see, Mrs. Jardine, how can your class show a positive attitude at recess?
By having a smile on their face and working together when something doesn't go right during a game, they can stay positive.
Who knows it? Pete, what is it?
Respect.
You guys have to start singing my respect song. You got it. It is respect. So let's hear Mrs. Tomlinson. How can your students show respect in specials?
Well, they can listen to all of the adults that are in the room with them at specials. They can take care of their materials if they're in the library, taking care of the library books, if they're in STEM, taking care of all the supplies, and do whatever is asked of them.
Next up, we have C-A-R-E. And if you know me, you know this is my favorite one. My favorite letter, Gianna.
Empathy.
put it there because empathy is all about having heart. So Mrs. Gottschall, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Mrs. Gottschall, how can students show empathy in the hallways and with other students in our building?
If you are empathetic in the hallways, you understand that it's a learning zone, so that whether you're walking the hallways in line, you're quiet, you're focusing on just yourself, your hands to yourself, and empathy kind of goes to respecting those other learners that are in with their classmates.
Wow, I think we could write a book. Let's give it up for Mrs. C-A-R-E. We've got one final letter. We got one final letter, and it is S. S for Stella. What is it?
Safety.
Safety. You got it. Now let's think about safety. Mrs. Bernard!
Safety at school might look like I'm in the cafeteria and I'm walking through the line and I see somebody spills milk. And I think, wow, if I step in that, it might get all over. People might slip, so I'm going to help that person clean it up. I'm going to show empathy and tell them, it's okay, I'll go get you some paper towels. And then I'm going to clean that up. In PE, it might look like when I go to throw the ball and I see someone's not looking, and I think, oh, that's not safe to throw it in. I hit them in the face. So I'm going to wait, and eye contact, and then I'll throw the ball.
Wow. Everyone remember Mr.
Our fifth grade Cares Ambassadors.
Oh my goodness. If you are one of our Cares Ambassadors, can you stand up for us? If you're one of our Cares Ambassadors, stand up. Wow, give them a hand. Oh man. Look at these role models. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. Ready? And we know, and we are confident that every day you are going to do just that. Some great things, and we can't wait to watch you every step of the way.
And there's a lesson we can all take with us at the end of this story. Go be great today. This is Rams on the Ridge at Grasse Elementary School.